Hello everyone, a very good morning to you. As you might have already seen in the title that I am going to visit the biggest pet market in West Bengal and one of the oldest if you consider it. This is a very special video as this is the first time I have been out of my home after 6 months of lockdown, taking all precautionary measures and going to a favorite place. So stick around, this will be a very fun video, very informative, and there will be so many things to see. Located near Sham Bazaar 5-point crossing, I will be very honest that this place might not be a very easily accessible location for everyone staying in Kolkata region. So after a ride of around 45 minutes on a beautiful Sunday morning, we have finally arrived. You can see it's a sunny morning, but people, please ignore my lockdown haircut. I just trimmed that off. So please ignore that. So this is as you can see, it's like 8 AM in the morning and people have started gathering. You can find people from all over the city here, from the other part of the Hooghly region to from any part of Kolkata you can find people here. As promised, this will really be a very fun video, so stick around. My name is Aditya and I welcome you again to my channel. Yes, I know some of your hearts might already be melting by seeing these cuties. So while you start entering this this pet market, this is the first section that you will find, the puppy section. And I will confess that I am not a huge fan of puppies, but I had spent like almost 20-25 minutes adoring these cuties here. And I was like almost convinced to take one home, but I know I understand the responsibilities of keeping a dog. I would request you to stay till the end because I have something to tell you. What happens is that we see them and we fall in love immediately as they are so adorable. But you also must know what the responsibilities of having a dog, of keeping a dog, and then you should go forward. But for now, please enjoy them. To give you a context of the pricing, the dogs start from like 5,000 rupees to 40,000 rupees, from labs to Rottweilers to golden retrievers to beagles. You need to identify a healthy dog and also you can bargain on the spot. So it's your responsibility to find the one best suited for you. Moving on, we reach the section of the birds, especially the birds which you can keep in cages and all. Again, I will tell you, before buying a bird, before even thinking of buying a bird, learn about that bird, learn what they eat, what their food habits are, what their typical cage should be of, if they can be tamed or not, and if you have the time to invest on them. So you should know all these before even thinking of buying any bird or any animal in that particular order. So you can see that there's a variety. Like stop counting of the variety of the accessories and the birds that you can find here, ranging from finches to cocktails to lovebirds to budgies to conures. You can find them any variety, any pricing, you can find them here. If you ask me, I am not a fan or a supporter of keeping birds in cage at all, but most of these birds you see here can be hand tamed and they can fly around if you have a room to keep them. Like this bird, this is one of my favorite birds. I am not sure if this can be tamed or not, but this is an African bird called Bishop and they are ultimately beautiful. I am sure that the camera is not doing any justice to them, to the male one especially. You can look up to them on the internet and I'll show you a live footage of it.
Bishop. Go ahead. Dada.
As I mentioned that most of these birds can be hand tamed. By hand tamed, I mean that they need not be kept in cages. It doesn't mean that you can leave them anywhere, so they can fly around, because they are not tactically equipped to survive in the wild, because they have been homebred and kept inside. Another information I want to pass on, that you might feel that these birds are very congested in these cages. These are just holding cages to show. These are not the places or the type of cages you will find them when they are back home. So also keep that in mind. So if you are a beginner and want to start the hobby, you can find everything here, from cages to accessories to food items of these birds. Here we have reached another small, cuddly and cute section of this area, and this is, as you can see, the rabbits section, where you can find rabbits of all sizes, especially the little cute ones. You can also find big ones, and you can also find guinea pigs and rats also here. So we have reached one of my favorite sections of the market. Yes, the birds that need not be kept in cages. So yes, these are the pigeons that you are seeing are mostly colorful and beautiful, as you can see. These are called fancy pigeons or show pigeons. People don't fly them because their nature is not to fly a lot. So they keep low and stay in your homes, or at your roof. You can keep them very easily. Let me tell you that these pigeons which you are seeing right now, all these fancy pigeons, are not at all cheap. One reason is the rarity, and the second is, in the recent years people have started keeping them. When I was small and young, people never used to keep them because they did not used to fly, but now they are like showpiece items for many people, and they love to keep and show off. So as you can see how beautiful they are. So coming from the fancy section, we entered the high flying section. Some of these birds that you are about to see can fly 8 to 10 hours a day or travel for more than 1000 to 2000 miles. So the only thing how you can understand if the pigeon is going to be of that standard, of that quality, of that breed, is you need to know. So here, as you can see, people are checking out the pigeons, and this is how you should check a pigeon. You should see the eyes says it all, and then there are many other factors, the limbs, the feathers and the nose, everything comes into count. According to me, after dogs, pigeons are the most loyal animals closer to man. I have had my personal experience of a pigeon coming back to me after 7 days. So you know that pigeon is one of the oldest domesticated animals. So you know that the craze of this bird is as high as a dog. And the thing is relevant with the amount of crowd that you see around them. So from high flying to low flying or no flying, we have come to the chicken section, and I'll show you one very interesting bird. It's called the Silkie, S-I-L-K-I-E, and it's from China. Isn't it beautiful? You may definitely find other pet markets, but the variety here is unbelievable. You can see from chickens to ducklings. Oh, aren't they cute? Let me share a live video of it.
কত দেবে বলো?
450 দিয়ে 400 দেবে। একবার আমার কাছে ঢুকুন।
Now coming from the cuties to the ferocious, these are asil chickens. Mostly they were used for cockfights. I'm not sure they are used till now, but they are one of the most aggressive chickens you will ever find in the market. So not only birds and animals, to get you through this hot Sunday morning, there are many refreshments, so you can find some pure honey also. Yes, as you can already identify, we are in the aquarium or the fish section, where you can find a variety of aquariums, accessories, plants, fishes, medicines, you name it, you will get it here. In the pet community, fishes might be the most kept and seen pet around India, at least, because they are cheap and people think that they can be maintained at a very low cost, which is very wrong, because you need to know how a fish should be kept, what is the minimum size of the aquarium they should be kept in, because people have the habit of buying small aquariums and keeping big fish in. Moving on, I wanted you to show the enthusiasm of the pet lovers of Kolkata. You can see it's 9:30 a.m. in the morning and it's like burning hot, but I don't see people going away, and please ignore this shot. These are worms that are fed to fishes. They love them, but you can choose to ignore that. But I'll just show you how people are increasing and they are keeping on coming. Here somebody is building an aquarium, and you can find all types of enthusiasts all over this place. And finally we enter the green section. Trust me, I have been keeping plants for the longest time, I know, and most of my plants are from here. And it's again like fishes, like birds, like dogs. You need to identify which plant you should take, and you need to know how to care them. It's all the same, it's all the same formula. So you almost all varieties of I will say almost, because there are some plants I was looking for which I did not get, but that was because it was not the season. That was the main reason. But outstanding collection, and I'll just show one of my favorite plants. Yes, it's right here, that the one that he is showing. Yes, it's 20,000 rupees. Yes, that plant is asking price is 20,000 rupees, and this is I think 4,000, the front one. So these are all bonsais. They take years to be made, and they are just beautiful. I love them. So thank you for sticking by till the end of the video. I would like to conclude the video by saying that yes, pets are very lovable animals to keep. They have so many effects on a human mind that can cure many diseases also, many people say. But again, they are not impulse buys. They need to be cared, they need to be loved, and they need time for themselves. So before I end the video, I just want to tell you that whenever you want or think of buying any pet, even if you want to keep a plant, please make sure you know about it, you know about everything about it, and then only go forward, because we don't have the right to take anybody's lives by buying them, because we have the power to buy them. And I'm just ending these videos with these cuties because I came back to see them. And again, I don't think I'm responsible enough to keep a dog, so that's why I don't keep. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care of yourself till next time. Bye.